Hello and welcome to my instructional video for using the website Quizlet.com. We're going to go ahead and start on the Google homepage and Google Quizlet, Quizlet.com. Go ahead and click on the first link, Quizlet. Go ahead and log in. If you're not logged in, so let me log out real quick. Now Quizlet is free. You can use it on any browser and is a great tool for students of all ages, even in college, to help prepare to study materials that are being taught, or even for as a teacher um, to prepare lessons with terms or topics that you want your students to remember or learn. This is an alternative to the paper and pencil for notes or to um, just a digital version for it all. So I'm going to go ahead and log in. I log in with my Google account. Okay, log in with my school account. Now you have different options. You can browse diagrams, see your latest activities, your study sets, several settings, help, my classes. So you can create your own class by clicking the create class. Enter the name, descriptions, what school you are with. You can create that way. So I already had and went and created my own class for elementary art. You scroll down. You can add sets, add members, so like students, connect to a Google Classroom, which is pretty neat. And you can edit, notify, report, delete, remove all members. So let's see. I created one that was for art. Go ahead and click on that. Now, go and scroll down. Let's go ahead and edit. Scroll down again. Now, it asks for terms, so I went ahead and used art terms. Okay, we're going to scroll down. Click on edit. As you can see, I have a few terms, smart terms, which is pretty neat. I'll go and scroll down to an empty one. So let's say for a term, I wanted to use scissors. Go ahead and click on that. And then you have the options of picking the definition. So I have scissors, an edge tool having two cross pivoting blades, or a cutting instrument. So we're going to go and click on that. And click done. Now, since I have a few of those cards, terms and definitions, there are different ways that you can study them. You can click learn. Okay, welcome back. Let's start studying. Press any key to continue. So it gives you the option, it gives you the definition, a cutting instrument, and my different options, primary colors, scissors, color wheel, or collage. We know there are scissors, click on that. Says it's correctly done. Press any key to continue. Go ahead and do that again. A cutting instrument, and you would type in the answer. So we know the answer is scissors. Click answer. Correct again. The definition, the correct answer. Says that we've learned everything. We can review or we can click finish. Brings us back to where we were at. Click on flashcards. So we have red, yellow, and blue. Press space or click the card to flip it. So this is pretty neat. It's like your own online flashcards. Instead of having to write them, they can use the computers, which they know how to use and like to use to study. A circle with different colored sectors used to show the relationships between colors. You can click on View Next Card. Artistic position, compositions of materials pasted over a surface. An assemblage of diverse elements. A cutting instrument. Okay. Start over. So we can click space. We know that's the right one. Click space. There's the term there. Move over. Click the space button and it flips it over. You see the definitions and the term. Gonna go back. There's a writing portion. Type in the answer. Cutting instrument, we know there are scissors. Let's see, we know that this is a color wheel. And then we say this was a collage. Okay, now if it's something that the student doesn't know, it does give it an option that says don't know. It tells you what the correct answer is, and then you would just have to copy the answer. Tells you how many you had correct, incorrect, and the overall progress. You can do a matching game with the terms, and it's also timed. So we know this can be collage, those are scissors, primary colors, color wheel. You can play again, you can go back. Okay, so it has an option to play a game with the terms and definitions. Go ahead and click back. So Quizlet is pretty fun, pretty interesting. Gives you a diverse way to learn terms or play games or memorize for students. For Quizlet, I've chosen two different standards from the ISTE-T for teachers. The first one is from 1.C, promote student reflections using collaborative tools to reveal and clarify students' conceptual understanding and thinking, planning, and creative process. And 2.C as well. Customize and personalize learning activities to address students' diverse learning styles, working strategies, and abilities using digital tools and resources. Well, that is it for the instructional video for Quizlet. Thank you for watching.